one thing, just came to my mind. One investor from Madurai came, to me and asked, sir, I am buying gold. Market gold price goes up, my value goes up. Gold price comes down, my price comes down. I am buying real estate. The same thing happens. But why do you say mutual funds are subject to market risk in such a bold manner that makes me to go away from the investment as if something there is new, or it is not, it is untouchable, or whatever, I would say. So, I mean, from AMFI's standpoint, yes, we have to make awareness, AMFI or SEBI, whatever. Do you think still we have to continue that kind of cautionary messages so boldly, so strongly everywhere?
I think that's where we have also built the trust of everyone. Historically, in a lot of traditional investments, the way Indians have been investing, they had a lot of not so good experiences and lots of bad experiences also, the way people have invested and have got shortchanged. I think our industry's fundamental premise is to build trust based on transparency, based on the best disclosures, based on, I think, the investor first approach. And that's why we always highlight the risk attached with the instrument, which you rightly said. Is it not the case with gold? Is it not the case with real estate? In fact, our products are also a lot more liquid and a lot more transparent. I mean, you get the daily NAV, you get a monthly portfolio, you get so much of disclosure on our website, which you don't get for most of the other products where you invest. But still, we believe that we keep highlighting that to build a longer term trust.
Probably a day will come. So, one more thing, and SEBI is working on this, of course, the trading community. I saw a report that all the investors, individual investors, put together their last 39,000 crores in a given year, and corporate traders, they made 40,000 crore, 41,000 crore. So India is, I think, by far one of the largest day traders in the world. So has the industry thought about introducing products to attract these investors? Is it possible? Is there any precedence for this? How to overcome this? Because still that people are in the hunting mindset.
No, one way is to I think what we need to do a lot more, apart from the messaging from the mutual fund industry about mutual fund sahi and all. I think the fund houses that have got a long-term track record, I think there is an opportunity for us, and there is a responsibility on us to go and showcase the history of those products and how there have been different market cycles, what happened during that time, and still how people created wealth over a period of time. For example, our FlexiCap fund and some of the funds who've been in existence for 30 years, they've gone through many market ups and downs, but still what kind of wealth that has got created, how the power of compounding helped, how the simplicity of just investing a small sum, but with the patience and discipline of doing it over a long period has really created wealth. And in this entire period, if people tried many things at different points in time, in fact, I've been telling our research team that look at, let's say, if you were a smart investor and you did the 4 best IPOs of the year, all these 30 years, what your experience would have been. Experience in the fund would have been better than that. You picked up the 5 largest companies every year, whether you would have beaten us? No, not really. If you just picked up the best sector in that year, would you have done better? Not necessarily. And I mean, how can you be so lucky every single day that you can trade and still make more money? It's humanly impossible. And so the best way is remaining disciplined. I always say this, the best way to create wealth is STP, sound investment plus time plus patience. If you don't have all 3, you won't make money. You can do gaming, you can do F&O, you can do crypto, you can do all kinds of things, but that's not the way to create a great wealth for your retirement.
Yeah, I think no one has made wealth by trading. There is no other example.
I'm yet to meet someone.
yeah, exactly.
I know legendary investors in Chennai, the way they have created wealth, and then a lot of people know them. They are public figures, some of them, and very humble and very, I would say, down to earth and very low profile. I think they've created wealth by just being patient over a long period of time.
Yeah, true. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.